Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Denver Community Credit Union step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all your financial documents in one place. This includes your income statements, monthly expenses, and any debts. Identify your sources of income. List all forms of income, such as your salary, side jobs, and any passive income. Next, track your monthly expenses. Organize them into fixed expenses like rent or mortgage, and variable expenses like groceries and entertainment. Once you have a clear view of your income and expenses, calculate your total monthly income. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. This will give you your net financial position. Review your spending habits over the past few months. Identify areas where you can cut back. Now, set specific financial goals. These can include saving for an emergency fund, paying down debt, or saving for a vacation. Once your goals are set, create a budget. Allocate funds for each category based on your priorities and goals. Consider using tools from Denver Community Credit Union, such as budgeting apps or worksheets. Monitor your spending regularly. Check your budget weekly or monthly to ensure you stay on track. Make adjustments as necessary, especially if your income or expenses change. Lastly, celebrate your progress. Acknowledging small wins can keep you motivated on your budgeting journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.